Hey everyone, hope you and your family are doing well. It's almost the end of October. I would ask where the year has gone, but I've asked that every single year since about 1999 at least. I just kind of wanted to give some insight, I guess. Personal preferences on what I do when I'm in a 34-hour reset, which I try to do at my company terminals. If one is nearby that I can put into. If not, it's no big deal. But I like to try to get my laundry done right out of the gate, so that way it's over and done with. Fold them up, get them up. Well, not even really fold them up. I just kind of do the Ranger roll, military roll, whatever you want to call it. Freshen up the bed sheets, put in some some fresh scents in the truck. I'll usually have like either lavender or peppermint. I've got there's some stuff from Febreze. It's like a wood cabin smell, so I'll just kind of get that going in the truck. Disinfect the truck, clean the countertops, clean the steering wheel, all of that stuff. Maybe make a trip to the supermarket to restock for food for the week or the next 2 weeks, depending on how I'm feeling. And then usually break down the top bunk. And I say that, and this is kind of where things kind of go into your situation may vary. I also take new drivers out on the road for about 21 days. So they get the top apartment. And sometimes I do that back to back. Like I might part ways with one new driver and then basically turn right around and take another one out. So I try to get that cleaned up from them. They know once they get on board and everything that it's like, hey, this is basically your house up there, so you take care of it. Otherwise I'll kick you out. There's some other stipulations of that, but anyway. And then once that's done, I'll try to hit the workout area, because I'm just an Adonis. Try to get like a 5K walk or a run in if they have a treadmill. If not, perfectly fine walking around outdoors. I'm a Florida boy, so I much prefer to be outdoors anyway. Now, if I don't have access to a terminal, fine, great. I'm going to try to get to one of the rest stops that I know of that have good walking areas. Me personally, I don't really care to do them at truck stops, just because it's constantly loud. We know this, but I like things peaceful. So if there's like a travel center or something like that has like a large parking lot, sure, I'll park in the very back of it. And I've even done that with there's a travel facility that's just outside of Albuquerque that sits right next to the casino. What is it, Route 66 Casino? You probably know the one that I'm talking about. I've done that a couple of times where I've parked there and then gone over to the casino, grabbed some food over there, done a couple of the games. I don't go crazy. I kind of set a limit. It's very small, so I'm still working, so clearly I've never won anything big there. But after that, kind of work on videos that I've taken from the dashboard, which you've probably seen if you've taken a look at the page. And then the real challenge begins when I figure out if I want to start playing video games on the Switch, or catch up on TV shows, or catch up on comics that it might have come out for the week. Like right now I'm going back and I'm working my way through One Piece. Declaration of War is coming up, in case you're interested in where I am. I've even gone back and I've started working on Dragon Ball Z. So, what can I say? I like the classics. And then I try to limit myself on the video games. There's been plenty of times when I've come into the terminals to do a reset, and I'll walk into the common area and I'll see someone that has their system set up and everything. Which is great. You want to bring an entire computer with you, be my guest. That's your life. But it's like, I'll go back in like 12 hours later and they're still sitting in the exact same spot. I'm like, these are the same people that complain that they're tired all the time. You got to limit yourself to it. I'm not going to get up on that soapbox, but like I said, to me, I give myself about an hour to play games. Get up, I'll go take a stretch, come back, read a little bit, might take a little nap, because naps are important out here. And it is sometimes a little difficult and everything. Going back to having the trainees on board, it is what it is sometimes, you know. So with the truck bouncing around at night, sometimes can't necessarily get the good sleep that I want. So that comes with the territory of being a leader / trainer, whatever you want to call it. That being said, a good mattress and or foam topper makes a whole world of difference. I think I have a 3-inch memory foam, and the pillow that I have is made from the broken dreams of Disney cast members. I'm a former one, and all of my dreams have been shattered. So, I don't know, whatever. Anyway, and then see if there's anything that I need to work on the truck. Restock it with anything that I need, you know, windshield wiper fluid. I call it blinker fluid because it's pretty much the same thing, useless. You know, see if I need any more fifth wheel grease, because I like getting those tubes. I hate those little packets. I hate the packets. If you can find the tubes, infinitely easier and better to use. And then just kind of start planning out the rest of my week and going from there. So, I guess if you have any questions, if you've made it this far in the 8 minutes, usually people turn my videos off after about 34 seconds. So if you're still here, thanks for watching. If you got any questions or comments, whatever, listen, we've been on YouTube long enough. You know where to put them. And hope to talk to you all soon. And I'll put it in there. If you're interested, I've got plenty of other videos that are on here. Like I said, the dashboard videos. So you can kind of see what it's like to go across America. And until next time, be safe out there. If you're out on the road, you're already one day closer to being home. If you're already home, I'm completely jealous of you. But enjoy the time that you have with your family. And I will talk to you soon.